Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hasta Mahendra Saputri. I am from Squad 8, and this video I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Okay, my friends, in this presentation we will discuss material indirectly answered question. Directly answered question yaitu pertanyaan yang dijawab secara tidak langsung. Ada dua jenis pertanyaan, yaitu yang pertama implied detail question dan yang kedua transition question. Di sini kita akan membahas materi implied detail question. Jenis pada pertanyaan implied detail question adalah ada 4. Yang pertama implied, yaitu it is implied in the patient that. Dan yang kedua ada inferred, yaitu it can be inferred from the patient that. Dan yang ketiga ada likely, it is most likely that. Dan yang keempat ada probably, yaitu what probably happened.
Pembahasan dari contoh tes TOEFL, yaitu pertanyaan ini menanyakan kata yang manakah yang bukan sebuah kata dari bahasa Hawaii. Untuk menjawab pertanyaan ini, perhatikan pada bagian bacaan yang menyatakan bahwa yang tidak pernah muncul dalam bahasa Hawaii. Ada 2 huruf mati secara bersamaan, atau two consonants never appear together. Dari sini kita dapat membuat kesimpulan bahwa jawabannya adalah Meklea C, bukan kata dari bahasa Hawaii, karena konsonan K dan L muncul dalam bersamaan. Karena itu, jawaban yang benar adalah C. Implied detail questions. Seperti pada slide yang ketiga tadi, implied detail questions itu ada 4 jenis pertanyaan. Selanjutnya, di mana kita dapat menemukan jawaban? Kita dapat menemukan jawabannya itu secara berurutan pada bagian tersebut. Jadi jawabannya ada pada bagian tersebut secara berurutan. Selanjutnya, bagaimana kita menjawab pertanyaan? Yang pertama kita harus menemukan kata kuncinya dalam pertanyaan tersebut. Yang kedua, kita mencari ulang dari kata kunci dalam bagian tersebut. Yang ketiga, baca dengan cermat pada bagian yang berisi kata kunci tadi. Yang keempat, kita memilih jawaban yang benar atau jawaban yang terbaik. Answer to the questions and explanation or reason. Number 1. It is implied in the passage that if a kaya has 2 holes, then to answer these questions you shall refer to the part of the passage where it mentions a kaya is generally constructed with 1 opening in the deck for 1 rider. However, some kaya are made for 2, so the conclusion are made for 2. So, the conclusion is that if the kaya has 2 holes, it can accommodate 2 riders. So, the answer is A. It accommodates 2 riders. Number 2. It can be inferred from the passage that an example of the animals mentioned might be. To answer these questions, you shall refer to the part of the passage where it mentioned it is used for hunting large animals that are too big to be hunted in kaya. Animals that live in the sea and are large whale. So the answer is whale.
Number 3. It is implied in the passage that the answer is D. The leaf of neither type of tree in the passage turn brown in the winter. To answer this question, you must refer to section paragraph 1 to the 2 kinds of trees that develop in California. In paragraph 2, it describes the height of both trees. So, in the conclusion, there is no paragraph to explain the leaf of the 2 trees and the season. Number 4, it can be inferred from the passage that the Sierra Nevadas are The answer is D, a mountain range. To answer this question, you must refer to section paragraph 1, the last sentence. Is that the giant sequoia is found inland and a higher elevation along the western slope of the Sierra Nevadas. Number 5. Which of the following is implied in the passage? The answer is the California redwood is not as big around as the giant sequoia. To answer this question, you must refer to paragraph 2, sentence 1. Is that the California redwood is tall living tree and is in fact the tallest living things on the face of the earth. Well, the giant sequoia is nonetheless the largest and most massive of living things. Number 6. The French version of Monopoly might possibly include a piece of property entitled. The answer is D, in the Eiffel Tower. The property that is in France is the Eiffel Tower. So property entitled is Eiffel Tower. Number 7. It is implied that Darrow selected Atlantic City as the setting for Monopoly because the answer is A. It brought back good memories. In Atlantic City, there are many great vacation spots to cool off during depression. So, Darrow chose Atlantic City for his first Monopoly. So, it will bring back happy memories for Darrow. Number 8. Parker Brothers is probably. The answer is B, a game manufacturing company. To answer the question, you should refer to the part of the passage where it mentioned Parker Brothers purchased the rights to Monopoly in 1935 and took the first steps toward the mass production of today. So the answer is Parker Brothers is a manufacturing company. We are from Group 8. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.